Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic. The quiz contains the basic operation, minus, plus and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and word pass method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 6, B is 36, C is 85 and D is 94. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now, just recall that what are the rules which we can apply to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3 is you have to solve division and multiplication. So what will you do? You have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming. Now, move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket. So here we have this bracket. So we will solve this one. Although this bracket contains the minus sign first, but although this expression, this bracket contains the minus sign, but we have to solve this one because it is contained inside the bracket. So we will subtract both of them and get the answer is 8. And 2 raised to power 8 raised to power 2 we will write now as it is. And divided by 16 plus 9 raised to power 2 we will write now as it is. And here we will give the reference like 13 minus 5 equals to 8. Now move forward. Step number 2 is you have to solve the order of any of expression, and also you can say exponent part. So here we have this exponent part and other one is this one. So first we have solved, we will solve the first one which is 8 raised to power 2. It means that 8 multiplied by 8 which is 8 8 the 64. We will write 64 here and divided by 16 we will write as it is. And plus 9 raised to power 2 again we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 8 raised to power 2 is basically 64. Now move forward. Again we have the exponent part which is 9 raised to power 2. So we will solve this 9 raised to power 2. So we will write 64 divided by 16 as it is, and plus 9 raised to power 2 means 9 multiplied by 9, and which is mean 81. We will write now 81. So here we will give the reference 8 raised to power 9 raised to power 2 means 9 raised to power 2 means 81. Now we have solved the exponent part. Now we have the division and multiplication. So what we will do, we will go for left to right in our expression and find out which is coming first. So now we have this division, which is 64 divided by 16. So if we will divide these terms, so we will get the answer is 4. And plus 81 we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 64 divided by 16 equals to 4. Now we have two terms which are adding each other, so we will add both of them and get the answer is 85. So the answer of the given expression is 85. If you see the answer list, C is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using pandas and word mass method and find out the correct. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.